EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 14th, 2021. For your Wednesday, we're going to be under the influence of a couple different systems. We have an upper-level low that's moving into the Great Lakes, actually from the western Great Lakes to the eastern Great Lakes today, so we'll have an increase in clouds from that, and also from this system off to our south. This is going to remain to our south, largely to our south, but as this moves over to Virginia, North Carolina border, eventually, it's just going to remain mainly south of the Mason-Dixon line here as far as precipitation is concerned. There will be a little period right around either side of noon here today. There could be a few showers rotating through, just a few light showers in our across southeastern PA, basically, and our southern areas. And then later this afternoon, as this upper level low moves eastward, and it's going to continue to do so over the next couple of days, this is going to be an influencer of our weather over the next couple of days through Friday evening. Actually, it's going to be a while till this gets out of our neck of the woods. But today we have a little bit of mid-level ridging here, so we're going to be warmer today. You see the temperature 64 to 68. I don't have a rain icon on here because I wanted to emphasize the fact that we'll have increasing clouds more so than the rain, because we're going to have a few showers across the southern areas on either side of noon, and then later this evening, as we get into the late afternoon and evening, and across northeast PA could have a few showers as well. But for the large part, it's going to be just increasing clouds, and that's the theme today. So moving this forward here to show you what we're dealing with. Again, here's those few showers here coming on either side of noon. This system's going to largely remain south. The main system is going to remain south of the region, and the low pressure is going to be right along the North Carolina-Virginia border. Okay, and then the upper level low is going to continue to move eastward. As we get to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, just showing you where this is actually showing off at 10 a.m. Just showing you here's noon, here's 1, here's 2. So there's going to be some showers, mainly in the southern areas, moving through. And some of this might not be reaching the ground. There is some dry air in place at the surface. So a few light sprinkles, and that's it on either side of noon. When I say either side of noon, it could be like anywhere from like 11 to 1 or 2. Okay, and then that's it. After that point, all the precipitation remains south of the Mason-Dixon line, and then again across northeast PA. This is actually in association with that upper level low moving eastward. So in the middle, you have a bunch of nothing. Just cloudy skies this afternoon and evening. Now, the NAM has this, the low pressure that's expected to form here on the European model and move up the coast, which is shown here. Here's that area low pressure. The NAM has this coming in on Thursday morning with some rain over our area here, and then the heavier rain, the trend over the last 24 hours, if you saw yesterday's video, had more of our area involved in some precipitation and heavier precipitation. This is no longer the case. It's now being shunted off to the north and east. And with that, all that discussion I gave yesterday about the possibility of seeing snow across the higher elevations of northeast PA, probably not happening now. It will happen in the mountainous regions of the lower Hudson Valley and up in the Catskills and places like that. So you have the upper level low continuing to move eastward. You have a surface low off the coast, but it is far enough north and east that it really doesn't get most of our area, except for parts of northeast PA and northern New Jersey most notably. And the NAM is doing the same thing, actually even more so this evening. It has just a few showers that goes into Friday morning. These are scattered showers for central, coastal New Jersey, central New Jersey, northern New Jersey, and northeast PA. Okay, and then that lifts off to the north. You got a few scattered showers moving through during the afternoon too elsewhere. Okay, as you can see here. So there'll be some scattered showers around Thursday. It's not going to be a dry day, but it's just not as potent as it once looked for our area, or as we were looking at this early in the week, because the trend has been to push everything off to the north and east here, and pretty much across the lower Hudson Valley. And the change here with the forecast with the snow, let me change this to a precipitation type map here. You see that this is just rain that's falling, so you don't have the heavier precip over our area now. And once you get a dynamically cooled situation, it's going to be up here over the lower Hudson Valley. And you see it changes to snow there. I can't rule out that you might have a few flakes mixing up here in some of these far northeastern corner of Pennsylvania areas. So that's possible. I just don't think there's going to be any accumulations even up there. So looks like that stays out of our region. This is what the NAM is showing. And European model is pretty much showing the same thing. Okay, stays up here, up in the and the Capital Belt up here by Albany, and they get some pretty good snow up here in interior New England. Our area, not so much. Now, the upper level low is going to be moving over our area both Thursday and Friday, so we're going to be turning cooler on Thursday, and we're going to bottom out on Friday. Friday is going to be a day where you're not getting out of the 50 to 55 degree range, so this is what we're dealing with tomorrow. The showers around and 52 to 58 from north to south. It's going to be more like 50 to 55 as we get into Friday, as that upper level low is going to be sitting right over top of the region. And with that, we'll have the opportunity for just a stray shower throughout the day here, as this surface low is now up in New England. But because this upper level low is still sitting here, we have the opportunity for a stray shower, but mostly cloudy skies otherwise. And this is going to pull away Friday evening and pull away. Saturday and Sunday look like they're going to be dry days. Actually, pretty close to average on either side of average here for Saturday and Sunday. Not too bad on either day. Looking for partly cloudy skies both weekend days. And then late Sunday, we can't rule out a stray shower. There's a couple weak impulses in the vicinity, so there might be a little bit more clouds at the end of the day here on Sunday, and maybe a stray shower in a few spots, but they're not really impressive. This is all there is. It's all there is. Okay, so the better chance of this is going to be for the next impulse to come in, and that's going to be on late in the day on Monday. So increasing clouds again on Monday. Late in the day, you have the opportunity for a few scattered showers that goes into Monday evening. And then behind that on Tuesday, we are partly cloudy and turning a little bit warmer as we get to slightly above average temperatures once again. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is our outlook for April 14th, 2021. Have a great Wednesday.